Hi, hello, Teacher Connie here, giving you the speaking parts of the exam, which runs from 15 minutes to 30 minutes approximately. First part, we have personal information and general information. These are verbal questions which the examiner asks you about yourself. So, you must be able to talk about present and past situations, circumstances, and even experiences. And of course, your future plans. And part two, you have picture description, which has a visual meaning. Individual long-term verbal and written instructions. Each candidate has to describe, compare, and contrast a picture, then answer a short question regarding the picture. You have to give information, express opinion through speculation expressions, and relate the picture to yourself or to your own experience. And part three, you have the collaborative task, wherein the examiner asks you to talk about the topic based on the prompts. You have to exchange information. This is very important. Don't manipulate the talking. You have to ask questions to your partner, agree or disagree, suggest and speculate, and even partly agree or partly disagree. And the last one, which is part 4, discussion, which is 5 minutes. You are going to talk about something related to part 3, as I have said earlier, and you have to exchange information, express your opinion, justify your opinion, again, agree or disagree, and you have to suggest. Sometimes there are follow-up questions, but don't get alarmed because these follow-up questions will give you something to express yourself. So this is all for now, folks. Please check our campus. And for all speaking tips and tricks, Teacher Connie here saying bye.